class. So last class we discussed, right? So what is shell scripting, and so what is this Linux, right? What is the basic? How many ways we can execute our file, and how to create a shell script file, and how to run, and what is the how to find which shell scripting we are using. Some basics and all already we seen, right? Today we'll see continuation how it will work. So in interview also mostly they are asking. So this one on commands 29. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now DB. What is that line? Tell variables. Already we seen, right? What is shell scripting? Shell scripting is nothing but a sequence of commands saved in one file, and finally we are executing that file. And so how to create shell script file? Extension should be dot a file to save the extension should be dot sh
Dot
file.
sh, sir.
File. That's it. Extension could be dot sh and all. Now create one new instance. Okay, alt control enter control plus plus. Now see here ls. Now how to create vi, for example test dot sh file. So this is the insert. Now hash exclamatory mark slash bin bash. What is this line? Bash shebang. What is this? Shebang, right? So what type of scripting bashing you are using? So that and all. So first line we added, right? So here we are using what is hash means. Hash special mark means this is the sharp or shebang. This is the bang shebang, and bin bash means executed by bash. And which bash you want to execute? Whether you want to execute bash or barn shell or Python scripting and all. And so here we are executing what are the commands you want. So that and all we can execute here, and these are the multiple commands, right? And just print whatever you want, just escape colon x. Now how many ways we can execute the file? So now ls hyphen l. See here, read write, read only, read write, read only. Okay. Now can I execute this one? Dot how to execute shell file? Dot slash test dot sh file. Correct? Test dot sh file. Now see here, permission denied. Now what you need to do, Karthik? Now permission is denied. What is this meaning? Permission is denied means
Execution
this
option
file.
link.
Yes, sir. Now ch mod ch, or else we can execute like this also. How we can execute? So multiple ways we can run, right? So we can execute like this also. Bash. See here, where is that path and all environment? Bash bin. How many ways we can execute? So there is somewhere we can write. See here, bin bash executable. We can execute. These many ways we can execute. So see here, right now I use it. This is the default, or else we can use bin bash demo dot sh file. If you use so slash bin bash, same command slash bin bash. This already we added bin space bin bash, right? Bash bash space dot slash test dot sh file. Now see here. So if you want to without execute that permission directly, I am executing. So hey, this is a file. Okay. Now execute this file bash prompt. We are mentioning like already bash, right? So now directly I am executing this file bash. Suppose if you are not giving any permission. So this and all last class we seen, and so this is the important what is this and all. Now we can is consider following script and all. Now shell scripting, so print current date and time. Remaining and all same only. Whatever you want we can print it. This and all. Now this is the session level. Okay. So now this is the session guy. This is the session. See here, this is the one session. If I close this one, it won't work. If I close this one, it won't work. If I close this one, it won't work. So let me come to here. AWS already we are using one instance. Let me open that one. Actually, AWS console login. Do you have AWS account?
Yes, sir.
2016. Okay, let me open. Anyway, both are same only, but we need to check console and all, right? So here this is the dummy, right? It won't work all these things. Let me check it here. EC2 instance, EC2 instance, and so running instance, and here we have one instance. Go to dashboard, and so instances, EC2 dashboard, all instances, only one instance, running instance, nothing. Okay. Quickly create one instance. Okay. How to create instance? Go to here, launch instance, launch instance. I am using so Linux. Okay. I am giving, I am selecting Amazon, and so this is the instance type micro key pair, and this is here I am selecting Karthik key and all. Okay. I am creating new key pair for my purpose. This is the Linux key. Whatever you want, we can give any name. I hope everyone know these steps and all you know, right? Create key pair. Now this is same only. I don't want anything, and 8 GB enough for me. Launch instance. Now come to here. There is a session level. So session means now this is the session. Generally, session means login to log out is nothing but one session, right? Login to log out. So login to log out is nothing but one session. Clear, Karthik? For example, here I log in this instance. If I log out means session will end. Correct. This is the login to log out is nothing but one session. Log out to login is nothing but one session. But here there is session level. So echo path. Here we are giving something. Echo path means it will display Linux environment variable path. In Windows, you know, right? Environment variables. How to set environment variables, Karthik? Rightly? Go to show more actions. Go to properties. And so here if you type env, correct, environment variable. If you go here, see here, these are the environment variables, correct. Same way in Linux, I want to see something. So how to check it? So this is see here session level. So echo path means this is the user bin, local bin, and see here it is showing something. Now path equal to here home mark on, this is the script. Where is my path? So if you want to set something, now we can run script anywhere. You know, right, how to install Java. You know, right, how to install Maven. Karthik, I hope you know, right, how to install
Yes,
Maven,
sir.
how to install Java. First, let me connect this instance so we can understand. Click on this, and click on SS client. Copy this. Go to here. Where is my PM file? This is my PM file. Right click, open Git Bash, open Git Bash, and here, and so here just paste it. Okay. Now yes, this is actual Linux machine. Control plus plus. Now if you see here echo space dollar path, path path. Now we can see something. Home, this is my username. Local bin. Home EC2 user bin. User local bin. User bin. User local S bin. user s bin, system bin. Okay. Now can you see here maven? If you type mvn space hyphen hyphen version, do you have maven? No, right? Now see here mn Java. How to check Java? Do you have Java?
hyphen Javas.
Java. No.
Yes.
Now I want to install Java in Windows. I hope if you understand Windows, we can easily understand Linux also. For example, I want to set maven path. How can you set in maven path Windows? Go to my computer. First, you download the maven software and keep in one folder. Extract that software. Copy that path. Now, how to set an environment variable? My computer. Go to this computer. Show more actions. Properties. And so env, and go to here, go to environment variable. Here, see here, this is the here I see maven path. Suppose if you want to set Java path, if you want to set anything, here click on new. In my variable name we are giving some name, variable path we are giving. I hope clear, Karthik. This is the Windows. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Windows
Clear.
environment. Same way, how can you set in Linux environment? See here, this is Linux environment. Now I don't have anything, I don't have any maven, I don't have anything. Now see, observe here, now we'll follow same thing. Now path, see, export path equal to home slash script. I set some path, I set some path. So if you give echo path means, so default path will come. This is the default path. What are the user, right, user, this is the s bin. So this and all we can check here. Now I am on root, come back, ls, I am come back here, ls. Now see here, this is the bin, and this is the s bin, this is the user, this is the variable, and this is the lib, and so we keep the entire structure we can see here also. If we click on user, cd space s usr, cd space usr ls. Now we can check it here bin. Okay, see s bin. Okay, bin, s bin. So these are the default path. These are the right, file systems. These are the Linux file systems. So this is the Linux file systems. So this is the Linux file systems. Now same way I want to set some path. Now export home. Here I given something script. Now see here how it will work. For example, here I am giving mkdir. I am giving one so cell. 1 second, Karthik. I will write. Now mkdir. For example, here I am giving to some name. For example, uh, dev shell scripts. Okay, shell scripts. I given this is the directory name. Now cd space shell. Okay. Now this is my path. Whatever I am writing here, I can write here. Vi. For example, test1.sh file. Hash insert hash explanatory mark slash bin slash bash. Okay. Now echo, just assume for testing purpose only. Okay. Welcome to script. Just I given something. Escape colon x. Now cat space test1. Now see here. Welcome to echo. Welcome to here's cat, right? Now see here slash bin slash bash file name dot slash test1 dot sh. Okay, welcome to script. This is the file, right? Now if you run this file outside this, now I'm coming outside. Is it working, Karthik? Guess it. bin slash bash. I'm giving dot test1.sh. Is it working or not?
No, sir.
Why it is not working? Actually, that file is in different path. I am trying to execute this file different here, right? Correct? Yes or no?
Yes,
అంటే నా
sir.
ఫైల్ ఎక్కడుంది? వేరే పాత్రలో ఉంది. బట్ ఐఎమ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ హియర్. It won't work. See here, path. Now, what I need to do? Here I am giving, so I am set the path, export. So export is the one command here. Export is the one command. Now see here, I am going to add. See, if you want to set my path to here, environment variable, we need to use export command. We need to use export command. Simple, very simple. Now I am giving dollar path. I am giving here. This is the default. Do you have my path here? Earlier I created one directory, right? Can you see that path here? No, right?
No, sir.
No. ls. ఇప్పుడు నేనేం చేయాలి? దీన్ని సెట్ చేయాలి. How to set means, so cd space shell pwd. I am copying this path. Okay, copy, and I am coming outside. Okay, now export. Now observe here, export. Now see here, there is lot of commands available here. See here, these are the declaration. This is the file declare, how this is the, don't change anything. Okay, everything available here. Now I am giving same command. See here, path equal to capital letter path. See here, path equal to this is a one way, dollar path dollar path. Next, what is your path? My path. What is my path? Colon. I am setting my path. Paste it. Now see here, path equal to dollar path, and I am setting my path. Now see here, clear the screen. Echo dollar path, path. Now observe here, my path is I set or not? See here
Yes, sir.
at the end. So now we added to environment variable. Now we added environment variable. So generally, so if you install any software, for example Maven, generally Maven we need to execute particular path. I don't want execute a particular path. I can run my file anywhere. ఇప్పుడు నా ఫైల్ నేను ఎక్కడన్నా రన్ చేయాలనుకో, సో మనం ఏం చేయాలి? పాత్ సెట్ చేస్తాం. అదర్వైజ్ ఇట్ వోంట్ వర్క్. విండోస్లో అయితే ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ వేరియబుల్ అక్కడ న్యూ అని క్లిక్ చేసి యాడ్ చేస్తావు. బట్ ఇన్ లైనెక్స్ మిషన్, దిస్ ఈస్ ద సింటాక్స్. ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ path equal to dollar path, your path name, that's it. Now understand? Doubt here? Any doubt, Karthik?
No, sir. Clear.
విండోస్లో నీకు ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ వేరియబుల్ ఎలా సెట్ చేస్తామో అది అర్థమైతే ఇది చాలా ఈజీ అనమాట. క్లియర్?
Clear, sir.
సేమ్ పాత్. నౌ సీ హియర్, నౌ టెస్ట్ డాట్ ఎస్హెచ్ ఫైల్. నౌ ఇక్కడ మనకి ఆ ఫైల్ లేదు కాబట్టి ఫైల్ నాట్ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ అని వస్తున్నది. సో దట్ కేస్ మోస్ట్లీ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ దిస్ ఎక్స్పోర్ట్, and this is the syntax. Now see here, date sh and all, this is same only. Now setting path permanently at user level. Now this is the session level. This is the session level. Now if I close this one, see here, exit. Exit means it will close. So session closed. Session means login to logout is nothing but one session, correct? ఒక సెషన్ అంటే ఏమి? మనం లాగిన్ అయినప్పటి నుంచి లాగౌట్ అయ్యేంత వరకు ఏదో సమ్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్, దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ సెషన్. నౌ అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ కనెక్టింగ్. నౌ సెషన్ ఎండెడ్ ఆర్ అగైన్ క్లోజ్డ్? ఇప్పుడు నాకు సెషన్ క్లోజ్ అయిపోయిందా, సెషన్ కంటిన్యూషన్ ఉందా? ఫస్ట్ టైం లాగిన్ అయినా కదా, ఆల్రెడీ లాగ్డ్ అవుట్.
Close it, sir.
క్లోజ్డ్. అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ క్లికింగ్. నౌ సెషన్ స్టార్టెడ్ హియర్. నౌ అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్, నౌ సెషన్ ఏమైంది ఇక్కడ? స్టార్ట్ అయింది. జస్ట్ నౌ నేను కనెక్ట్ అయ్యాను కదా, మళ్ళీ నా సెషన్ ఏమైంది, స్టార్ట్ అయింది. నా ఎకో ECHO echo dollar, again I am giving path. Now see here, can you see your path here?
నో
ఇంతకు ముందు
సార్.
నేను ఒక పాత్ సెట్ ఎందుకు లేదు, ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ అనేది వాడితే ఓన్లీ సెషన్ లెవెల్, అంటే ఈ సెషన్ యాక్టివ్లో ఉన్నంత వరకు వర్క్ అవుతుంది. వన్స్ ఇఫ్ యూ క్లోజ్డ్ అగైన్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఓపెన్ ఇట్ వోంట్ వర్క్. నౌ క్లియర్, అంటే మన
సార్
ఎక్స్పోర్ట్
అక్కడ
వాడినామంటే ఉమ్,
సీజన్‌లో ఉన్న డేటా అంతా మళ్ళీ ఉండదా సార్ ఇంకా?
ఇది డేటా కాదు, డేటా ఉంటుంది, ఓన్లీ పాత్ అంటే వర్క్ చేసేదానికి మనకి,
ఓహ్!
అంటే ఆ పాత్
ఓకే.
మాత్రం
ఓకే.
ఉండదు. ఇప్పుడు నాకు డేటా ఉంటుంది చూడు, సిటీ స్పేస్ తెల్ల, ఇదంతా ఎవ్రీథింగ్ సేమ్, ఫైల్స్ అన్ని అక్కడ ఏం కావు, డేటా ఈ సేమ్ ఓన్లీ. అంటే నేను ఒక పాత్ సెట్ చేశాను, పర్టికులర్ అంటే నేను ఒక ప్యాకేజ్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేశాను, ఆ పర్టికులర్ పాత్లో ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాను, అంటే నాకు టెంపరవరీ కావాలంటే ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ కమాండ్. అట్లా కాదు, ఐ వాంట్ టు ఐ వాంట్ గివ్ యూజర్ లెవెల్ అంటే దిస్ ఈస్ ద కమాండ్, సీ హియర్ యూజర్ లెవెల్. నౌ ఇఫ్ యూ రన్ యువర్ స్క్రిప్ట్ ఎనీవేర్ and if you want to set path permanently at user level, so here who is the user, user ఎవరు ఇక్కడ, who am I, who, this is
ఈస్
linex command, ec2 who am I, యూజర్ ఎవరు ఇక్కడ, ec2 hyphen user, కరెక్ట్.
యెస్ సార్.
ఇప్పుడు నేనేం చేయాలి, ఆ పాత్ని పర్మనెంట్గా యూజర్కి సెట్ చేయాలి. ఎలా సెట్ చేస్తాం, సీ హియర్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద పాత్, ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ అనేది వాడాలి. ఎలా ఇస్తాం, ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ అనేది వాడాలి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఫైల్. సో దిస్ ఫైల్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది మనకి, బ్యాష్ బ్యాష్ ఆర్సి ఈజ్ ద స్టార్ట్అప్ ఫైల్, విల్ బి ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్ ఆటోమేటిక్లీ అట్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ టర్మినేటింగ్ స్టార్టింగ్. సో సీ హియర్, ఇన్ యువర్ హోమ్ డైరెక్టరీ దెర్ ఈజ్ ఎ ఫైల్ నేమ్డ్ కాల్డ్ బ్యాష్ ఆర్సి. ఇది లైనెక్స్ కదా, ఇక్కడ డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుంది మనకి. నాకు చెక్ చేసుకో, ఐ వాంట్ టు డిస్ప్లే హిడెన్ ఫైల్స్ ఆల్సో, వాట్ ఈస్ ద కమాండ్, ఎల్ఎస్ అంటే ఓన్లీ రెగ్యులర్ ఫైల్స్,
మైనస్
ఎల్ఎస్
ఏ.
ఐఫన్ ఎల్ఏ ఎల్ఎస్
ఆ!
ఐఫన్
యెస్.
ఎల్ఎస్ ఐఫన్ నౌ ఐ వాంట్ టు డిస్ప్లే ఎల్ఏ హిడెన్ ఫైల్స్. నౌ సీ హియర్, బ్యాష్ ఆర్స్ అనే ఒక ఫైల్ ఉందా, సీ హియర్ బ్యాష్, క్లియర్, దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫైల్. If you want to set your path user level, this is the file path, bash rc. Now see here, bash rc, this file will execute every time automatically whenever if we open the terminal. If you define the path variable in this file, path value will be become the permanent every time. Now clear Karthik.
క్లియర్ సార్. యెస్ సార్.
ఇప్పుడు నేను ఎలా ఓపెన్ చేయాలి, tell me how to open this file, how to open that file, edit, I want to edit this file, how to edit. Before that I need to copy file, td space shell. First let me copy that path, I need this path, right? Okay, now
ఎక్స్‌పోర్ట్.
ls hyphen la vi dot ba, అర్థమైందా, bash rc. Okay, insert, what is this, insert, don't change anything. ఇక్కడ ఏదో కొన్ని రాసుంటారు వాళ్ళు, see, bash if hyphen f file ect bash and don't change anything. So go top or last, go end, okay, anywhere, that is your wish. Okay, that is your wish. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేశాను, ఆల్రెడీ ఒక కమాండ్ రాసా కదా, సేమ్ కమాండ్ ఇక్కడ అప్లై చేస్తాను. సేమ్, సీ హియర్, ఎక్స్పోర్ట్, సేమ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ వి గివన్. నౌ టెల్ మీ దట్ పాత్, ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ path equal to dollar path colon. I copied, right? Just paste it. Now clear.
Yes, sir.
So this is the user level. This is the which level? User level. This is the default file. What is the file name? Bash rc. If you want to set path permanently at user level, this is the file. Actually, this is the hidden file. Open this file, edit this file, and save it. That's it. Now see here how to save. Escape colon x. Now see here cat space dot bass bash rc. Now you can see or not. అర్థమైందా? Any doubt, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Echo.
No, no,
Let
sir.
me print it. No. This is the file. Echo. See here. This is the default path. This is the default path. Now user level I added path. Now if you want to, you can execute anywhere. Now user level it will work anytime. Same way, what is the meaning of a startup file? See here, bash rc is the startup file. It will be executed automatically at any time of terminal starting. Hence, if you want to perform any activity while starting the terminal, we have to define activities in the file. Now, what is the logout file? So there is one more file is that logout file dot bash underscore logout is a logout file. It will be executed automatically at any time of terminal exit. So this is the terminal, right? Correct. This is the terminal. This is the login file. This is the logout file. Every time if you open this terminal, this file will be executing. If I click on this file, which file execute? ఇప్పుడు నేను ఎగ్జిట్ ఇచ్చాను అనుకో, ఇప్పుడు ఏ ఫైల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది? ఈ ఫైల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుందా, ఈ ఫైల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుందా? చెక్ ఇట్ హియర్.
Bass, Bass HRC.
సో వాట్ ఈస్ హియర్? దెర్ ఈస్ టూ ఫైల్స్, లాగిన్ ఫైల్, లాగౌట్ ఫైల్. కరెక్ట్. దట్ ఈస్ ద స్టార్ట్అప్ ఫైల్, లాగౌట్ ఫైల్. మన టెర్మినల్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే ఇది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. టెర్మినల్ క్లోజ్ చేసాం అనుకో, ఏ ఫైల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది? దిస్ ఫైల్ bash underscore logout. క్లియర్. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఎగ్జిట్ ఇస్తున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు ఏ ఫైల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది? విచ్ ఫైల్? లాగౌట్. నౌ గాట్ ఇట్. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ నేను టెర్మినల్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్నాను. విచ్ ఫైల్ ఇట్ విల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్? బ్యాష్ ఆర్సీ ఫైలా, లాగౌట్ ఫైలా? టెల్ మీ కార్తిక్. నేను స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నా టెర్మినల్. విచ్ ఫైల్ ఇట్ విల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్?
Bass RC, HRC.
ఓకే. బ్యాష్ హెచ్ఆర్సీ.
Yes, sir.
ఎగ్జిట్ ఇస్తే
Logout, sir.
bash logout, bash underscore logout. Blindly remember, interview no one is asking, for your understanding purpose. జనరల్గా మనం ఏదైనా టెర్మినల్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే బై డిఫాల్ట్ ఇట్ విల్ స్టార్ట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ దిస్ ఫైల్. ఇఫ్ యూ లాగిన్ టైమ్ ఇట్ విల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ దిస్ ఫైల్, లాగౌట్ టైమ్. క్లియర్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద మ్యాటర్ హియర్. నౌ go to here shell variables. Any doubt here, Karthik? What is login file, what is logout file, how to set path at user level?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Clear. Now this is sometimes people are using shell variables. So variable is nothing but we can declare anything. In Jenkins also we are using some variables, right? Environment variables. గుర్తుందా? ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ వేరియబుల్స్ సార్ చెప్పుంటాడు జెంకిన్స్ లో.
Yeah, yes, sir.
సేమ్ వే shell scripting also there is different variables available. Shell variables. See here, variables are placeholders to hold values. For example, నేను ఇలా ఇచ్చాను. ఇప్పుడు నేను విండో See, name equal to, for example, DevOps and so on. So this is the key, right? This is the value. Correct? This is the key. This is the value. Left side ఉండేది key. Right side ఉండేది value. Clear? Now see here. And so variables. Now variables are key and value pairs. In shell programming, there are no data types. So specifically here, no data types. Every value is treated as a text type, string type. ఇక్కడ specific data types and leave integer, float. I have you idea, some idea, right? So if you come to here Java, int type, float type, Karthik, Java gani, C gani, C plus plus data, int, float, string, complex, boolean, clear? So this type of
Yes,
not
sir.
available in shell scripting. Like this, it is not available. Now see here, all variables are divided two types only. One is environment variable, second one is user defined variable. One is environment variable, second one is user defined variable. This is the environment variable, this is the user defined variable. So what is environment variable? Already you know, మనకి విండోస్ లో సెట్ చేసాం. What is environment? See, there are predefined variables and mostly used internally by the system. కొన్ని వేరియబుల్స్ ఉంటాయి ఇక్కడ. So these variables are predefined and used by system mostly. Hence these variables are known as system variables. But on our requirement, we are going to use some variables in our script. We can get all environment variables information by using the env command. 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 Now if you want to know anything, if you want to know anything, it will start with env only. If you want to know anything, it will start with env only. Now see here, these are the environment variables. Environment env, lang equal to English, username, my name, username, something, password, home, shell, language, path. So these are the, we can see something. Now same way, see here, I am going to set the prompt. So now prompt means demo, right? Now come to here. Now if you go to here, first let me check it. What are the environments where default environment variables? So shell environ, see here. So this is the variable echo dollar variable underscore name, displaying environment variables. Now see here, copy this one. I am coming to here. I am pasted here. So echo variable name. If you give means here nothing is there. Now same way, if something is there, I will check it. Anything echo Linux command, site Greek print export. This is a local environment variable and set wide name export. These are our names. Yes, it's this is a file environment. There is a one file also available. We can set it open terminal. So we can see these are the environment. We'll see etc environment. Now go to here. So cd slash etc ls. Can you see any that file name? Environment variables. Where is that? Karthik? E, right?
Sir, in second column.
Second column. Here, right? This is the file. Now see here, cat space. environment. So in this file also not available. If you want to, we can add anything here, environment variables. So generally, if you want to open this file and we can set name equal to something. Now open this here, see here, vi environment dot insert. Here nothing. Here I am giving a name equal to. So here name equal to I am giving DevApps. Okay, escape colon x. What is this? Insert escape colon small letter, right? Okay, override. Mhm. Insert escape colon. I'm not saving. Sudo va environment variables. Insert name equal to DevApps. Escape colon x. Okay. Now observe here. Cat environment variables dollar environments and dollar. What is the name? Name I given. So name only. Which file? cd environment. Which file we added? Environment only, right? Variable name.
Yes, sir.
Correct one, right? It is echo name. We saved and unset a name or set a name. Environment variables. Or else I am giving user. If these are the default environment variables, I am using so default environment variables. So echo dollar all environment variable uppercase only. User. What is this user? Now check it user. Which user? EC2 hyphen user. So here one thing we need to remember, all environment variables are uppercase, mostly uppercase. I want to see home directory where I am in. See here, echo dollar home, which directory I am in. See, this is the home directory. Now see here, I want to see host name. See, this is the environment variables. In Jenkins also there is many environment variables available, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Jenkins,
Clear.
same. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం కావాలి? I want to host name. See here, capital letter. Host name. See here, this is your host name. So this is your host name. And same way, I want to see some UID or anything, whatever. These all are the environment variables. So like this, if you want to, we can call anywhere, we can call it. So if you want to call anywhere, we can call it. This is the environment variables. Now, so here they are giving how to change the prompt also. So what is the default prompt here? This is the prompt, right? See here. So this is the prompt pwd. This is the default prompt pwd. And I want to change. See here ps1 ps. This is the ps. ps1 equal to I am giving something. See here ps DevApps. Now see here prompt changed or not? Clear? Earlier it is showing EC2 hyphen user at this is the something IP, right? If you want to change the prompt, this is the command ps1 equal to we can give any name. Clear, Karthik? Any name, that is your
Yes,
wish.
sir.
Any name. అంటే ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ ప్రాంప్ట్ విల్ చేంజ్ అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ నథింగ్ ఇట్ వోంట్ చేంజ్ ఓన్లీ ఇట్ విల్ చేంజ్ ప్రాంప్ట్ రిమైనింగ్ కమాండ్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ సేమ్ ఓన్లీ డోంట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ హియర్ I want to create one file. What is the syntax? Touch space sample. Now see here ls. Now clear? Only prompt change అవుతుంది. If you want to change the prompt, so we go for this is the command. Now same way environment variables. Now see here I want to print environment variable in file. How to print environment variables? Just now already we seen something. Now I am using vi. vi env test dot ss file. Insert. I am using same whatever you want. So what is the echo dollar bin, and so this is the username, and this is the home directory, and so this is the echo, this is the path. Now here what will print, Karthik? Username, home directory, which shell we are using, what is the path? All are echo statement only, all are echo only. Clear? So here it will print username, here it will print home directory, here it will print what is the shell, here it will print the path. Now see, escape colon x. Now how to run? Slash bin slash bash space dot slash env test dot txt. Now see here, what is the user? ec2 hyphen user. What is the home directory? Clear, Karthik?
Yes, sir. Clear.
env. See, ఇక్కడ ఏం ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది? This is only double quotation, right? It is print as it is. Dollar user, this is the environment variable. Dollar home, this is the environment variable. Dollar shell, this is the environment variable. Dollar path, this is the environment variable. Now జనరల్గా మనం ఎలా ప్రింట్ చేస్తాం? echo డాలర్ యూజర్ నేమ్ అని ఇచ్చాను, నీకేమొస్తుంది? యూజర్ యూజర్ అని ఇచ్చానంటే జస్ట్ సీ హియర్. సో echo డాలర్ shell అని ఇచ్చా, shell shell. Now see here, which shell you are using? For example, echo dollar path, path path. See here, clear? Now multiple times, now I added everything in one file. Finally I am executing that file. Clear? Cat space env test. Now slash bin slash bash space dot slash en test dot txt. Clear? Clear, Karthik?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Same. Now how to print and all we can use it. Now user defined variables. User means who is user? I am the user, right? ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇక్కడ యూజర్ ఎవరు? I am the user. So here I am the user. So here user defined variables. User means I am the user. So how to declare user defined variables? So how to declare user defined variables? Now if you want to declare any user defined variables, this is the based on your programming requirement. If you want to, we can declare user defined variable. Guest, Dhoni. See here, whatever you want. So for example, here I am using. So for example, name equal to, this is the syntax. For example, I am giving Karthik. Okay, spelling correct?
K, sir. Last.
Yeah, nah, okay. That's the reason I am asking. Okay, Karthik, right? Now I want to print. How to print? Echo dollar. What is the variable name? Key value. Name, right? Now see here. Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the system defined variable or user defined variable?
User defined
User
variable.
defined. అంటే మనం సెట్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ course equal to, I am giving DevApps, whatever you want, uppercase or lowercase, that is your wish. Now somewhere if you want dollar echo dollar course. See here, DevApps. Clear or not? So like this,
Yes,
if you
sir.
want, we
Clear.
can declare user defined variable. Rules to define user defined variable. See here, it is recommended to uppercase only. If you want to declare any variable, what is the name? Uppercase only. Clear? And if variable contains multiple words, then we should these words should be separated by underscore. Okay, this is underscore. And variable should not be starts with 1 2 3, and we should not show symbol, any symbol, it won't allow. See here, take it here. For example, now I'm given 1 2 3 equal to dev. Now see here, is it working or not? No. Suppose variable name starts with any special characters. Now see here, is it working or not? No. So variable should not starts with any number, should not starts with any special character. Clear, Karthik?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Now same way, read only variables. Now see here, a equal to 100 read only. See, if you define read only variable by using read only keywords. Read only means just I am giving see a equal to 100 read only a equal to 300 bash a equal to read only variable. So if you variable is read only, we cannot perform a reassignment. See here what you understand. So here I give a name equal to, just assume Karthik, right? Here I give a name equal to Karthik. Now echo dollar name printing. Now again I am giving name equal to for example I am giving Shiva. Okay, echo dollar name. ఇప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పు, నేమ్ శివ వస్తుందా కార్తిక్ వస్తుందా? కార్తిక్,
Karthik, sir.
కార్తిక్ షూరా? నేను ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ నేమ్ ఈక్వల్ టు కార్తిక్ అన్నాను, ప్రింట్ ఇచ్చాను. మళ్ళీ నేమ్ ఈక్వల్ టు శివ అన్నాను, మళ్ళీ ప్రింట్ ఇచ్చాను. నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ కాలింగ్ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ దిస్ వన్ ఆర్ దిస్ వన్?
First one, sir. I think.
ఫస్ట్ వన్. సి శివ. దిస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ రీఅసైన్మెంట్ ఈజ్ హ్యాపనింగ్. అంటే నార్మల్ వేరియబుల్ రీఅసైన్మెంట్ కుదురుతుంది. మళ్ళీ నేను సేమ్సి నేమ్ ఈక్వల్ టు, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను ఇచ్చినాను రమణ అని ఇచ్చాను. వాట్ నేమ్ గివన్? రమణ. సో ఎకో డాలర్, ఇప్పుడు నేను నేమ్ అని ఇచ్చాను. నౌ టెల్ మీ విచ్ వన్ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్, విచ్ వేరియబుల్ ఇట్ విల్ కాల్?
Ramanas.
Now got it. So this is the reassignment is possible user defined variable. Sir, I don't want to reassign, I want to make it as read only. So in this case this is the syntax, a equals something read only a. Now I am giving read only, read read only name. Now I given like this. Now got it. Read, what is syntax? Read only. By typo, right? Read. Now clear? Now name equal to, again I am giving Karthik. Is it possible, Karthik? Read only variable. అంటే నువ్వు చేంజ్ చేయకూడదు అనుకున్నావు అనుకో, ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ వాంట్ రీఅసైన్మెంట్, సో వీ కెన్ మేక్ ఇట్ యాజ్ దట్ వేరియబుల్ యాజ్ రీడ్ ఓన్లీ. ఆ వేరియబుల్ నువ్వేం చేయొచ్చు? రీడ్ ఓన్లీ. రీడ్ ఓన్లీ అంటే ఏమి? ఓన్లీ వన్ టైమ్ అసైన్మెంట్, వీ కెనాట్ రీఅసైన్. ఐ హోప్ క్లియర్, రైట్?
Yes, sir. Clear.
సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కోర్స్, see here, c equal to, I am giving DevApps echo $C. Got it? Now see here, c equal to Linux. Is it possible or not in this case? Reassign చేస్తున్నాను. Is it possible or not?
Possible, sir.
Possible, because it is not read only variable, correct? $C. Now read only. I am giving a C. Now I am trying to T colon Jenkins. Is it possible or not? Now,
Not possible, sir.
not possible because it is read only. అంటే ఇంకా అసైన్ చేయలేవు, రీఅసైన్ చేయలేవు. We cannot reassign. I hope you got it right.
Yes, sir.
So that type of and all we can use this one. Now go to here variable scopes. This is very very important. Next class we'll see. So session scope, user scope, system scope. There is three ways we can add variables. So session means this is a session. Login out nothing but session. User means it is available particular user. System means for all users it is available. Next class I will very very important. Okay, we'll see next class variables.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so any doubt, Karthik?
No, sir. Clear.
Okay, so that's it. Okay,